CX-90 Turbo Preferred sports Mazda's bold, upright styling with a long hood designed to house the smooth inline-six engine. Brought to you by Berge Mazda. It rides on 19 or optional 21-inch wheels and features sleek chrome accents and advanced lighting. Its proportions evoke a luxurious wagon, a design praised for its premium presence. Under the hood is Mazda's eSky Active G 3.3-liter turbo inline-six paired with a mild hybrid system and rear-biased iActive all-wheel drive. It delivers a lively 280 horsepower and crisp 8-speed automatic shifts. The kinematic posture control enhances body control, making it feel more agile and planted. Some reviewers liken its handling to a sports car. The preferred trim can be ordered with 6, 7, or 8-seat layouts. The second row is spacious and comfortable for adults, and the third row seats fit occasional passengers. The cargo space behind fits about 15 cubic feet. This trim brings leather-trimmed heated front seats, ambient interior accents, and high-grade materials. The cabin design is clean, well-stitched, and full of tactile buttons. It also includes a large power-sliding moonroof to elevate the open-air feel. Standard safety systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, front and rear parking sensors, backup camera, and the full suite of Mazda's driver assist technology. The CX-90 Turbo models receive top safety ratings, including IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus in most categories. Notable tech upgrades include a 12.3-inch full-color touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice command audio, Bluetooth, a 360-degree view monitor, active driving display, head-up display, and multiple USB-C ports. Plus, Mazda Connected Services offers remote start, lock-unlock, and vehicle tracking. Comfort-focused features include power-adjustable front seats, leather heating, automatic dual-zone climate, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, and multiple powered USB-C outlets for charging. Wireless phone charging is newly available too. The 2025 CX-90 Turbo Preferred all-wheel drive strikes a compelling balance between upscale refinement and engaging driving dynamics. It delivers premium interior touches, sporty handling courtesy of its inline-six and all-wheel drive, comprehensive tech, and strong safety credentials. For those prioritizing style, comfort, and driving enjoyment, it's a standout in the three-row SUV segment. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com, give us a call at 480-498-5614, or visit our showroom today.